Hey all, Aaron here with my submission for the Metabuild Hackathon for the Graph Challenge. We built a Paras subgraph for the graph, which is now hosted on the Graph's hosted service. It's been up there for about the last 24 days indexing, 430,000 entities available, and there's a bunch of queries there that you can use to get an idea of what you can get back from this subgraph. Makes a whole bunch of interesting data available on that NFT minting marketplace called Paras, and satisfies many requests that we've had in terms of making it data available concerning, what kind of or who is holding various NFTs for different artists. So it's been very helpful in that regard, and I'm also tracking that this subgraph is in use in other projects as well. It indexes the x.paras.near contract, which is here, and it's got, we do that by taking a look and extracting the data from the logs that are emitted from this contract. So one of the challenges we ran into is that although some of the logs are done in EP171 standard format, some aren't. So a bunch of verifications had to occur in the mappings to basically decide what format was coming out, a bunch of string manipulation and whatnot to turn some of these things into valid JSON to then play with the objects as required. But after lots of trial and error, and as we're on to version 3, a couple of previous subgraphs, we now have one that's been pretty robust and has been indexing without issue for the last, like I said, 24 days. We followed the information that we put together in this graph for near course in order to do this, and of course all deployed into this GitHub repo here for people to customize and use as they wish after the competition. If you're using the project, definitely let me know or reach out to me if you want to integrate it into your project and need some help with it. It's motivating to see this thing being used in different places, and hope it's useful for you as well. So thanks for allowing us to submit for the Metabuild Hackathon for the Graph Challenge.